This repair video for the P1336 error code is specifically tailored for Ford drivers. If your Ford is showing up P1336 code, this is for you. It indicates that the ECM has detected a malfunction within the crankshaft position sensor, or a problem with the synchronization between the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged reluctor wheel, misaligned CKP sensor, excessive crankshaft runout, signal interference, pulse ratio issues. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method 1. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is typically located at the front underside of the engine, often mounted to the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been affected by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. If there is no reading, this indicates the sensor is defective and requires replacement. Additionally, check that the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its mounting hole. Finally, install a new crankshaft position sensor in its place. Method 2. The camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is typically located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it may be positioned at the front or rear of the cylinder head. Begin by carefully removing the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been contaminated by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to test the sensor. If no reading is detected, this indicates a faulty sensor that requires replacement. Also, check if the sensor's O-ring has fallen into its mounting hole before installing a new camshaft position sensor. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Citroën, Ford, and Peugeot vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.